Damn it! How did you know how many time I'm lost and who commands me? It's so powerful and grateful, critical. My regime is now my formation with me, know me status. I now have any perspective of my personally. It's perspective what impressed so powerful implement for me with no regime of me progress like a aspect of process I am is no my perspective.